Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. This is the first video for my fingerboarding channel. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet, but anyways, I am JRodFB and we're gonna get into the video. Don't worry, not all my videos are gonna be like this where I'm just, mainly talking. This is a welcome introduction video. This is my first video on this YouTube channel. I'm JRodFB and I like to fingerboard. Not my first YouTube video. Not that this is my first YouTube channel. I have two others, shameless plug, Cheese Dimes and Always Gold 361. Check those out too if y'all want. I'm JRodFB and I like to fingerboard. So thank you for stopping by and showing interest. Go ahead and subscribe if y'all like, because we're gonna have a lot more videos coming out soon. The next video is actually going to be a video that I put out last year. So thank you for stopping by and showing interest. Go ahead and subscribe so we can get this channel out to more people. I'm here to share rad fingerboarding stuff, like what my current setup is, what I think of grip tapes, what grip tape I use, my trucks, we got, tuning, we got just molds of fingerboards, like what fingerboards are cool, what's coming out, what came out that I want to get, stuff like that. We're going to be getting into those things here on this channel. Also, DIY builds. I build a lot of fingerboard DIYs, so that's going to be a big thing here too. If y'all like that, cool. If y'all like tech decks, cool. I'm going to be modding tech decks. I'm going to be doing a lot of mods and hacks on stuff. So if y'all like that as well, give me a
like and
subscribe. I made a fingerboard video last year on my other channel and it'll be the next video here. So go check it out. Go give that a like. And then we're just going to be leaping into it from there. Okay. So things are going to be getting pretty rad pretty quick. So make sure y'all are subscribed. If you want to see what I got going on currently, check out the shorts. I upload those more frequently. And also my Instagram, link below. Alright, if y'all have any ideas on videos that we should do, let me know. We'll probably do those videos, or we'll talk about them. I don't know, depends on what y'all say. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for listening to my first video. I know there wasn't any fingerboarding in this video, but like I said, go check out the next one and the one after that, and check out the shorts. See y'all later. Alright, taking it back in time, this was my first concrete build that I did for one of my first events. I just got a whole table and I basically do a thin layer of concrete all over it, and then this is foam underneath with wire mesh, and then I just smooth out all the concrete. So if y'all want to see more stuff like that, just let me know.